Little breeding update. 3 chicks in with this pair. I put a Harlequin hen with a red factor cock, just see what the chicks come out like. They look quite nice, nice variegated reds. This pair of red factors on 3 chicks. She don't like to get off, but there's 3 healthy chicks in there. This pair of reds on 3 eggs. First lot of eggs were clear, don't know why. 2 spare hens, red factor hen, Harlequin hen. And this pair of Harlequins. It's got 3 chicks. Nest needs cleaning now. So all chicks doing well. Won't be long before they're out of the nest.